Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot X70, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button, and once you see the boot options, hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode, so we're going to confirm by selecting OK. Let the device boot back up, and once it does, it will automatically be in safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. So obviously this mode is designed for troubleshooting, so if you don't have any kind of problem with your device, there is really no reason to boot it into this mode. As you can see, we have the marking right here letting us know that we are in safe mode. And on the second page, you can see a bunch of applications that will not work. So they are all monochrome. And if you try to open them up, it gives you the pop-up downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you need to do is hold your power button and select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.